Yo guys, and welcome once again to One Piece Pirate Warriors, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. And today we're going to episode 3, Don's Offer. So let's go right into it. So I'm going with Luffy. Why not? I don't know. Maybe Sanji. This is Sanji's story. So I'm going with Sanji. Why not? I can't always be Luffy, right? I have to be someone else. No one to this Barati story of Sanji. So what most perfect character to do this episode than Sanji's? And we have our ship finally. It was given by the princess. So, I don't know. Now I'm confused because I thought Nami's arc, you can call it like that, Arlong, yeah. I thought Arlong was before Sanji. But, well, I don't know, it has been a long time since I saw One Piece, so yeah, I think Sanji's first. I think Sanji appears, fights against Arlong Nakamas. I don't know, Nakamas. That. Yeah, Don Krieg. Don Krieg. So let's go, shall we? Yeah. Yeah, to think that Sanji knows is that you can't hit money. That was I'm always saying. The rich guys. Someday we will run out of food. Will you eat your money? I don't think you'll eat your money. And now you gave food to him and now he's going to take your restaurant. This is absolutely stupid. Nanda? I don't know what happened. This is like Titanic. Titanic. I don't know. How would you say in English? Titanic? In my language we say Titanic. What is this nonsense? Yeah, it's Mihawk. What the hell is happening? We will not do Sanji's episodes? Okay, Mihawk, the greatest swordsman in the world. Oh, okay. So we start from here. Wow, there's a lot of things we have to do. Dun, 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 let's start. We'll be Sanji. What Sanji does? Oh, okay, he kicks. I know he kicks. I want to see his abilities. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Let's see. There's been a lot of time that I don't play this game, so I have like always we have to protect this place. We have to play to protect Barati. Yeah, I will not pay anything. Exactly. I can move the camera, yeah? Yeah. So I don't remember how do I do my special attack. I don't know, I didn't know I could do something with R1. Reception. What is reception? What? This is strange. Oh, there's a base commander there. I'm going to defeat him. With my kicks. Do you want a solid kick? Oh, I like Sanji. I like his way to fight with his legs. I don't know exactly what R1 does. I don't remember. Yeah, exactly. Anytime, whenever I think about one character that uses his legs to fight, I always think of Vegito. You know Vegito from Dragon Ball Z? Wow, that guy uses a lot of his legs, but he also uses its arms, its hands to fight. But it's a fucking badass. I love characters uses his legs to fight. It seems so badass. Look at this. Pirate Captain. So I have to defeat this guy, isn't it? Oh my god, I don't remember how to play. So this is it. Enemy reinforcements have appeared. Where are they? I'm going to kick all of them. It's enough to kill you. I'm not a delinquent cook, but I can very well poison your food. Whoa, 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 what? Yeah, okay, that's alright. So cool. No, you're not. Yeah. Don't let him steal our dream, Luffy. No one said this was a game. Has begun advancing towards Barrett attack. This place is this. We will not let them have your place, your cooking place. So Zoro is more interested in Mihawk. I don't judge him. We have to kill this guy. This guy over here, we have to kill him. Go reception. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Can I just do this? Yeah. Look, I'm just kicking. I think they are dead. Yeah, I think they are more than that. I'm beating up dead bodies. Luffy has begun fighting Don Krieg. Wait. I have a mission over there. Wait, take care of that guys. Oh, that's Don Krieg. Me, it's me, bitch. Go reception. Exactly, me. I think Luffy. Where? Oh my god, what the fucking confusion. Where is Don Krieg? There. Where is Don Krieg? What the hell? It's there. I get being so prepared and all. Oh, so that's it? That's it from... yeah. You fucking pussy. Are you retreating already? I don't like you. Mission successful. So one mission is done, I think. Don Krieg has reappeared. Oh, he's far away. Oh yeah, Don Krieg uses poison. Yeah, well, I was talking about poison. Now he's going to use it. Don't shit me. Go after Don Krieg. Yeah, I know. So... Oh, you're going to join me. Do you want to get your ass kicked too? Well, I think you're going to kick our asses. Not Mihawk has begun advancing. So he's our enemy or our ally? So... yeah. This is your time to shine, Zoro. What the fuck is this poison? Over here? Who's using poison? Stop! How do I defend? I don't remember the fucking controls, okay? You are bored, so come to fight. There's a lot of guys to fight over here. I don't know how to use my attack. Really? It's R1 or something? Because I don't remember. Stop, Zoro! Don't fight Mihawk. You have no chance. Yeah. So Zoro is retreating from the fight against Mihawk. That's good. That's good for us. Not good for Zoro though. What the fuck is happening? Okay, so we're going to. I don't think he can talk with the sword in his hand. How can he talk with the sword in his fucking mouth, man? Like, I can talk with my finger in my hand. I don't know how we can talk with the sword in his hand. I don't know. I don't know how he can talk like that. Now, we don't have a sword, but we will find another sword for Zoro. Zoro. This is one of those epic moments in One Piece. Zoro! Yeah, but Dracula Mihawk. Yeah, in the game it doesn't appear the wound in his chest. Zoro. This is a time to cry. Let's cry together, shall we? Oh my god, I love One Piece. This is one of those moments. Nope. I don't know what's up with Mihawk, honestly. I never understood what is his role. Honestly, I don't know. He doesn't seem like a bad guy, you know. He even trains Zoro. Yeah, for all of you who are fans of One Piece, I think you know that it trains with Zoro trains with Mihawk. So I don't know. I never understood what's up with Mihawk. He's a good guy. He's a bad guy. Like, what's up with him? I don't know. I know that Zoro wants to beat him, but he wants to beat the best swordsman in the world. So I never understood what's up with him. It bothers me, but never mind. Maybe I don't know. I'm missing something. Oh, what else disappeared? Maybe, okay, circle. Okay, so it's circle. I know that I need life. I need a lot of life, because I'm getting poisoned all over and over and over. That guy was showing his butt to me, was he? There's too many guys over here. I think I have to defeat these guys. This one here. Yeah, I think this is it. Just kick some guy. Oh, okay. They were drowned. I sent them to the water. That's fine. Change out of blue. What is that? What are you doing, Nami? No, you don't do that. So why are you worried about that now? Oh, I know why. Wow, you have really nice boobs. Sorry. But really, wow. Can we continue? It's not my fault. I'm playing as Sanji, so I can say that kind of things. Yup, and I still have to defeat Tonrik, don't I? So I have to defeat this leader. Yeah? No. So he's shipwrecked. I have to defeat. I don't have to defeat. I have to go there maybe, because it's Nami. Nami's there or something. I don't know, but I know that my main mission is to defeat Tonrik, so I'm going there. No, this is locked over here. So yeah, can I just kill him, or do I have to go over there then? Oh shit! There's a lot of guys here. But you're not fighting against the monkey, you're fighting against Sanji. Exactly, but he's not fighting you. Luffy is fighting Sanji. Stop running away from me. Don't you want to be kicked in the face? Don't you like a kick? A mark of my kick in her face? Don't you like it? Ooh. Okay, now you're afraid, yeah? Don't fight aggressively, yeah? Because I'm a fucking lady. So, yeah, be careful with my nails. Be careful with my armor. Oh my god. Be careful with me. Where is he? So where the fuck is oh shit, where the fuck is he? What the fuck? I don't understand anything. What the hell? What the hell? No, that was the wrong way. Holy hell. I don't know what is happening. Ooh, I start. So Tonrik is not here anymore. I didn't even see him. Leaders appeared at northwest, so I have to go there now. Block the enemy's barrage and help with the allies' advance. Okie dokie, but there's a star over here. I think I have to defeat this guy. I'm not sure. So territory captured. So there's nobody left here. Okay, there's some guys. Some guys appeared now? What did you say? So are you mocking me or something? So where the fuck are you? So... Yeah, because I have no idea what you have planned. There's a leader on the other side of this door. So yeah. Oh no, this is locked. So I have to be here though, because all the doors are locked. Do you want some chocolate with... Yeah, territory captured, so I can get out of here. Yup. Take some soup. You need to hit, Sanji. You are very slim. I can come here. Where is he? Where the fuck is Tonrik? Oh, this was a trap? This was a fucking trap, wasn't it? Exactly. Fight me, you little bitch. Oh. Okay, so if you want to fight like that, we will fight like that. Mission successful. I don't know, what did I do? So I helped Usopp, I think. What is he doing? So he went, he withdraw again. Fucking little bitch. You forgot the again. Everybody, all the bad guys just do that. MH5. Yeah, he eats his allies, but he doesn't eat us. Perfect. Perfect plan, dude. But the budget. I don't know what to talk Japanese, sorry. Shinazo! No, I won't. No, I fucking won't. Yeah, you run away, I'm going to attack that bitches. Where do I have to go though? The fit conditions have changed. Yeah, we'll go Luffy. Who is there? Look at this guy. He's ready to be fucking killed. Isn't he? Mission start, defeat on Creek. Oh, it's for now, man. No, this is be your grave. Look, who's getting his ass kicked. It's me? It's you, bitch. How can you talk when you have a foot in your mouth, bitch? Don't talk when you have a fucking foot in your mouth. Nobody except me. Stop with that, fucker. Stop. Oh, are you serious right now? Are you fucking serious right now? You can't be serious. Okay. Time to get serious. You fucking... We will not lose. Luffy, we will not fucking lose, dude. We will not fucking lose. We will not fucking lose, man. Bye-bye, fucker. Do you really think so? Ooh, say bye-bye to your fucking armor. Ooh, Spider-Man! Will it be my end? Ooh, for you. Como no? It's like a rocket. Giant gavel. Ooh, and we won again. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Thanks to you. Soka. Do you want to join my crew? No, yes, you're going. Yeah, I'm going. No, but you can come with me. You're suck. Go away. Chibinasu. So take him. Kidnap him. Oi, Luffy. Nah, Gozo. I realize streams, bitch. Of course he can. Well, you change your mind very quickly. Let's fucking go! Why? I don't want to cry. Yeah, he cries, I know. Don't catch a cold out there. Now, the moment to cry again. Oh, Bacha!
長い間クソお世話になりました。このご恩は一生忘れません。
Punching me with your kicking me, I think, yeah. Cha-cha, we'll miss you, damn it!
バカ野郎どもが。男は黙って別れるもんだぜ。
Always.
また会おうぜ、クソ野郎ども。行くぞ。
Or never. Shipats! To be continued.
上等だ。
And we finished! So that's it, guys. Thank you again for watching another episode of One Piece Pirate Warriors. The next episode will be episode 4, Arlong Park. So I hope we see each other in the next episode. So guys, as always, stay goody goody and bye. Yeah!